the Ugandan members of parliament know that from the 1960s, our movement has been working for the socio-economic transformation of Ugandan people. A country like Uganda, as you can see, is very rich. It has got a lot of natural resources, but the problem was that the population did not know how to use the natural resources to live a good way, in a modern way. And that's why we've been advising them that you need to move on two fronts. Number one, education for all. Free education, so that everybody goes to school and knows what to do. But number two, prosperity for all. Wealth creation for all. Wealth creation how? Go to four sectors. Commercial, agriculture, industries, services, and ICT. Now, if you go into those, you definitely join the money economy, because part of the problem of Uganda here, I don't know about the other countries, was that the majority of the people were outside the money economy. They were just working for eating, not working for eating and selling. So, with agriculture, in order to feed yourself and have something to sell, we have been educating them about commercial agriculture.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media. Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.